Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about an app. With this help of this app you can learn English language in an easy way. So if you want to learn English and improve your vocabulary and grammar and confidence, so you can download this app. It's a free of cost and you can download. You don't need to spend single penny on this app. So what you need to do, go on a Play Store and down and type a name is Cake, 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 and you find a app. It's a app. It's a 4.8 rating and 5 million people using this app and learn English language. So if you know, if you want to learn English, so you can learn English from this app. Now it's installing and it will take few seconds. Now you can see now it's installing. So if you if you want to learn English language, so you can learn like Hindi to English. If you want you can learn if you have any knowledge of any language like German, French, Chinese, so you can learn English. Like most of people who want to learn English, not only in India, most in foreign also. So just you can choose any language, any that you want to learn. Okay, now I choose the Hindi language. So you can see I just click on they asking that कि आप किससे English सीखना चाहते हैं. So I just click on English and the first day it's your task to complete first day when you want to learn. Okay, so just if you want to watch this video you can, but now I'm just going to skip and just explore a more thing. So just today this is what you need to do. Just watch these videos and you learn everything. Okay, so it will improve your English, it will boost your grammar, your vocabulary and your sentence formation also. So you can use, when you're using this app you not feel bored, and there is a lot of way like you can watch movie, comedy, everything there is available. So now I'm just now I'm going on a reviews and just you can see your library and you can explore many more things. So I'm just coming on a signing button, just you can sign in and you can get a coin. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. So just I'm going to sign up and I'm just choosing my account. So you can just sign up with your email ID. So just I click on my email ID and it's taking some time. So simply just click on the button is allow. I click on it and now you can see I'm just completed my sign in. I completed and I got 5 stars. So it's my first day what I get. Okay, so just start studying today. You can click on it and then explore new things. So just if you want to change the language you can. So just you can see if you watching any video you can get a subtitle. Now you can see I just exploring videos that I want to see. So just you can click on it like there is a lot of categories that you can choose. I like comedy, so I will choose a comedy. So you can see there's a lot of list you can see and explore a new videos. So I just click on one and just explore a new thing. Like I would like to see my feast and when you see. Okay, so it will help you to improve your English. So just click on it, then your video is start.
So I said, oh man, you're moving? Wanna go to lunch? My treat. My treat. My treat. It'll be like our little going away party. Yup. See you never.
So you can see you can get a Hindi subtitle or English subtitle both. So with the use of this app you can learn English very easily and fast. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching.